Two men work equally hard. One retires rich, the other retires tired. Same effort, very different life. This video will explain why, and if you believe hard work guarantees success, this might change how you see money forever. I want to tell you a real story. Not from a book, not from the internet, from my own life. Two friends, same age, same education, same city. Let's call them Ali and Usman. Ali was brilliant, top grades, sharp mind. Everyone said he will go far. Usman, average student, nothing special. But today, Usman is financially free. Ali is still struggling. And this story explains why hard work alone will never make you rich. Ali did everything right. He studied hard, got a good job, worked overtime, never took leaves. While others rested, Ali worked. While others slept, Ali stayed late. He believed one thing: if I work harder than everyone else, money will come. Years passed. His salary increased. Slowly. His responsibilities increased. Quickly. Bills, rent, family needs. Ali was running, but somehow staying in the same place, like a hamster on a wheel. Busy, exhausted, but not free. Usman also worked hard. But here's the difference. He didn't just ask, how hard should I work? He asked, where is my effort going? Usman noticed something early. Time is limited. Energy is limited. So instead of selling more hours, he wanted to build systems. While Ali exchanged time for money, Usman exchanged money and effort for assets. And this one difference changed everything. Since childhood, we hear this lie. Work hard and you'll be successful. But no one tells us the full sentence. Work hard on the right things. A donkey works hard. A coal miner works hard. A factory worker works hard. Hard work is not rare. Direction is rare. Hard work without strategy is like rowing a boat, but in the wrong direction. You get tired, not rich. Ali depended on one thing: salary. Salary feels safe, but it has a hidden problem. Your income is tied to your time, your health, your job. If you stop working, money stops. That's not income, that's survival. Usman understood this early. He wanted income that works even when he sleeps. So he built a small business, investments, skills that scale. Not overnight, but step by step. Here's a truth most people hate. Rich people work very hard, but not forever. They work hard first to avoid working hard later. Ali worked hard every year. Usman worked hard for a few years. Then his systems took over. One climbed a ladder forever. The other built an elevator. The turning point is not money, it's mindset. Ask yourself, am I just busy or am I building? Am I trading hours or creating value? If I stop working today, what happens? Hard work should be a tool, not a life sentence. Effort must lead to ownership. Ownership leads to freedom. Imagine two futures. Ali at 60, still working, still worried. Usman at 60, choices, time, peace. Same start, different thinking. Hard work didn't fail Ali. Hard work without direction did. Hard work can make you tired. Hard work can make you busy. But only smart work plus ownership makes you rich. If this video changed how you see money, like it, share it, and subscribe, because the next video might change how you see your future.